Like if your big brother was asleep and you wanted to scare him, you could go, ooh. Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, here with another fun project. Check it out, it's a spider. Ooh. Isn't that funny? Okay, so if you remember a while back, we showed you how to make a puffball. And so this is kind of a variation on the puffball, which is super fun and super easy and super great for Halloween. All right, here we go. So let me show you how to do it. Let me move him over here. You can make puffballs with your hand or cardboard, but I think it's easier to use cardboard, so I'm going to use cardboard. And I'm going to I took a small piece of cardboard. You could make a giant spider, but it might take a whole ball of yarn. So I'm going to just wrap around. I don't know if you saw the video, but Miss Kate does it 60 times because that's a good number. But I believe what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use up my little ball of yarn. All right, I'm going to take it off of its little holder and put that over here, and then I'm going to be careful while I get the next step ready. This spider I made by taking 2 pipe cleaners and cutting it in half because spiders have how many legs?
8.
There you go. Okay, but this time I'm going to make it with longer legs so you can kind of see it. So these are my spider legs. This is the yarn and with the hole like that, right? So you want to line it up, okay? So imagine that's the middle of your spider, like that, okay? You could use a rubber band or a piece of yarn. I'm going to use my slip knot method. I've caught my spider legs. It's kind of all black, so it might be hard to see. Caught all the yarn, and I'm going to squeeze, squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Okay, then I'm going to split it and go on both sides. I like to make 2 twizzles around. 1, 2. Because then when I make my knot, it holds. It's kind of crazy. Okay, and now I need my scissors. Trim that off. And now if you remember, or now you're learning, you're going to cut where all the loops are, just the loop side. Carefully cut each of them. If it's hard to cut them all at once, just cut them a little at a time. Okay, so now I've cut all my loops. You can kind of see. I'm going to trim it up a little bit so it looks more round. This is something that you want to do over the trash can or maybe over a piece of newspaper. Okay, so it sort of looks like that. Can you see? I'm going to sweep this aside. Okay, now I've got my legs, 4 legs. I'm going to take him and bend it so it looks like a foot. So about maybe halfway down I'm going to go, and then I'll go again with the foot. This one is not a daddy long legs. This one looks more like a daddy long legs spider. Gosh, oh, turn him over. Oh my gosh, there's my spider. Okay, all right, we're going to now make his web. Tie it on. Or, you know, you could leave it like this, but if you want it to hang like his friend, you would just go back in the middle or the side. Doesn't really matter. It's a yarn ball. You're going to make a tie it on there. I have 2 different sets of eyes. Teeny tiny eyes and big eyes. Sometimes when I do these with the kids, they'll glue like 8 or 10 eyes on it, which is pretty funny. I'm going to use my friend, the hot glue gun. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Here we go. All right, well, thanks for joining us. Another fun way to make puffballs. Happy Halloween. Bye, friends.
Bye.